All right, and there you have it. The score here in the second set, 16-8. And of course, for every match, we choose the prettiest face in the crowd, our Shakey's face of the game. And there she is. She's Genevieve David Manabat. She's 19 years old at napakalapit lang naman ng pinanggalingan niya. Angeles, Pampanga lang naman.
Lang naman sa kabila.
Diyan lang naman. Walking distance. Angeles, Pampanga. Genevieve David Manabat, our Shakey's face of the game. At hindi mga Easter eggs ang pinamimigay natin dito. Isang buong pizza. Ayan tayo dito sa Shakey's Feeling. Humingi nga ako kanina kay Genevieve. Hindi umabot. Sabi Genevieve, hindi, mag-face off the game ka muna.
Oo nga, pinaghirapan ko to
Kaya mo, pag napili natin si Ann Remulla mag-face off the game.
Magpapapizza.
Papapizza yan sigurado. Ay, may age limit ba yung face off the game? Baka
Wala.
over-age.
Over-age. Bakit kaka-18 lang naman niya?
Oo nga, kaka-18
diba?
lang.
Kakadebo lang yan
Nako. 18 roses. And of course, we are trying to get, a poll outgoing kung sinong gusto nyo makita ang Carolina Sisters o ang Remulla Sisters na mag-guest player.
Ang manager, of course, sponsored by Ian Laurel.
2-on-2.
Beach Valley.
That's right. And habang nagkakasayahan po tayo dito, itong Adamson tuloy ang paglagay ng puntos as we head into the first time out of Coach Telma here in the second set.
Manlalaro ako Yung parang selfing, bakit ayaw niyong mag-uusap? So, paano ko tatanggalin yung bigat? Hindi ako ang naglalaro. Manlalaro ako, ramdam ko sa loob. Ilaro nyo lang. Nakikita din yung photo mo. Kayo din. Go. Pati ba ako mula?
There you saw the timeout of Coach Telma. Talagang sinasabi niya, parang hindi sila nag-uusap, parang ayaw nilang manalo, and nararamdaman niya yan, no?
Yeah.
Kahit na nasa labas siya. She was a player before and a very good one at that. So sabi niya, you gotta work together.
That's right. And of course, parang sa kanya, I'm sure that she's already imparted to the team that this is a very important match.
Oh,
so
yeah.
probably this is not the way that she's expecting the team to perform. Kasi
Of course.
dapat how important this match is dapat they should treat it like a championship match. Diba?
Probably their last if matatalo pa sila. So kumbaga talagang bigay mo na lahat.
Correct.
Pao Soriano giving it her all in that quick play. And yun ang talagang textbook na approach for a quick play. Tamang-tama yung
she
timing.
really makes it look very easy.
That's right. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Makatuno with a good dig, but none of her teammates run very fast to be able to get to the ball.
Well, sometimes yung ating mga ad boards dyan, medyo nakakailang din yan I would think that some of them, pwede pa sanang abutan, but of course,
Siyempre.
naiilang sila, they might collide with
That's right.
the board.
And an error there by Michelle Carolino trying to set it too close to the net, but they are so ahead, 19-12 here in the second set, that they're just really taking it easy and coasting along at the moment.
Very comfortable lead for the Lady Falcons.
Pao Soriano with a tip in. Angeli this time getting her point. As Vasquez not able to dig that hit coming from Angeli. Optana, ooh, that's inside.
Good service from Optana.
Medyo nalito si Vasquez sa pagbasa ng serve. Now the lead only down to 5 points. Humahabol na itong CSB.
Another good serve, but Michelle Carolino is there. Angela Benting off the block.
Napakalinaw, no? Angela Benting hitting it off the block, getting the point. 2014. Opatilano is replacing Mayet, and Pineda replacing Makatuno. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Thank you, Axel. They save it. Araneta. Oh, good defense by Pineda. Angeli winning the joust. Yeah. Tagudin. Of course, with her height, she hardly needed to jump. Look at that joust. Angela Binting just overpowering the defenders. But Tagudin, of course, without any blockers in front of her, she'll have a field day hitting those middle attacks.
Excellent serve. Pao Soriano off the block. Pao Soriano now serving for the Lady Falcons. Good service. That's a service ace. Scores now 22-15. A timeout is now being called by the Lady Blazers. Let's listen in.
Okay? So, report pa rin. Wala na akong masasabing diskarte dahil yung sasabihin ko lang, naiinit ako. Ang masasabi ko lang, yung performance nyo, ilagay nyo, dahil kayo rin nagdadala ng pangalan nyo. Okay? So, kung anong nakabas ko dito, na-satisfied kayo sa performance nyo. Okay? Bawi lang.
All right, and that is the final push made by Coach Telma Barina. Rojas, 22-15. CSB down by 7. As we see Pao Soriano serving.
She has actually, Coach Telma openly expressed her disappointment
Yes.
to the rest of the team. So sabi niya nga, wala na akong masabi.
Na ubos na.
Yeah. So let's see if maybe that that last timeout could wake up the Lady Blazers.
Yes.
Pineda off the block. Yumang, of course, finding that open space at the back.
5-point lead still for the Lady Falcons. CSB, they need to make that run right now.
Good serve. Angela Binting off the block. Isa Yumang almost, or it is Tagudin rather, almost got it. It's 23-17. Adamson with a comfortable 6-point lead. We go to Carolino. Carolino still aiming again for that down the line attack.
And of course, si Ajero yung nasa harap niya, so mas madaling palusutan ng bola. And Ortega, the crowd favorite, makes her entrance for the game. Ortega on your screens. I don't know what it is actually with Ortega. And every time she gets in the court, all the fans here in the arena just applaud her.
Obviously, gusto siyang makitang maglaro.
And probably it's because she really hits so hard every time she gets that outside set. She just hammers away every time. Let's see if they give it to her. And they do, but that's too close. Ortega will... That's a 4-touch violation. And Patilano just set it too close. No chance for Ortega to get that one over. Set point for the Lady Falcons.
Excellent serve. Kinlog to Ortega.
Oh!
Outside.
No touch. Ortega hitting it again too strong. Oh, nice hit from Pineda. Excellent back set to Pineda, giving Adamson another win. They're up by 2 sets in this match.
This is our shake it play. This is this back set to Pineda. Of course, the blocker's too late and too open.
Look at that, 25-20. Identical scores in that in those 2 sets. The third set when we come back.